Olymp Trade is a popular online trading platform that has gained significant attention among new traders due to its user-friendly interface, accessibility, and wide range of trading instruments, making it an ideal choice for beginners who are looking to step into the world of financial markets without feeling overwhelmed. The platform offers a simplified trading environment where users can trade various assets, including forex pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, all within a clean and intuitive dashboard that prioritizes ease of use over complexity. For new traders, one of the biggest attractions of Olymp Trade is its low entry barrier. The minimum deposit requirement is relatively small, allowing users to start trading with minimal financial risk, which is particularly important for those who are still learning and experimenting with strategies. Additionally, Olymp Trade provides a free demo account loaded with virtual funds, enabling beginners to practice without risking real money and gain confidence before transitioning to live trading. Another notable feature is the extensive educational resources available on the platform, such as interactive tutorials, webinars, video lessons, and articles that cover basic and advanced trading concepts, technical analysis, risk management, and strategy development, ensuring that traders have the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. The broker also offers a fixed time trading feature, which simplifies the process for beginners by allowing them to predict price movements within a specified time frame, making it easier to understand compared to traditional forex trading that requires more complex analysis and position management. Furthermore, Olymp Trade supports multiple payment methods for deposits and withdrawals, including local options for various countries, and transactions are processed quickly, which adds to its reliability and trustworthiness. The platform is regulated by the International Financial Commission, IFC, providing traders with a sense of security and transparency, and its customer support team is available 24/7 to assist users with any issues they may encounter. For those concerned about trading costs, Olymp Trade offers competitive spreads and no hidden fees, making it more accessible to traders with smaller capital. Its mobile app further enhances accessibility, allowing users to trade anytime and anywhere with full functionality similar to the desktop version. However, new traders should also understand that while Olymp Trade makes entry into trading easy and educational resources abundant, the risks involved in trading remain significant, and success depends on disciplined strategies and risk management, rather than relying solely on the platform's features. By combining its beginner-friendly design, low financial requirements, educational tools, and strong customer support, Olymp Trade stands out as a reliable starting point for individuals who want to explore online trading in a structured and supportive environment.